Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. This is an advent calendar unboxing and I have got a massive wine Christmas tree. Compared to my head, it is quite large and all these little circles contain individual bottles of wine. So this is the Virgin Wine Advent Calendar. Now I bought this from Very online and I buy it buy now, pay later, so it gives me a little bit of time to pay it off, and it costs £89.90. Now I was going to get an Aldi Advent Calendar, now that's £50 and I don't think that comes out until, is it the 2nd or 3rd week of November? Can't remember now. I had the Aldi one last year and I really liked it. The value for money is great, but it was all like French wines, and I do like French wines, but I thought, do you know what, this year I fancy going for, and my husband fancy going for something a little bit different. So this big box arrived yesterday and I can't wait to unbox it. I am going to show you all what's inside it, so it is a spoiler, but then I'm going to pop them back in because we really loved it last year, opening our advent calendars but also taking it in turns to have a bottle of wine. And they're only little ones, they're not massive ones, but no, it's just really nice. It's just a nice element to the festive period then. If you like alcohol, it is. If you don't, then this is not the video for you. On Very, they do give you a breakdown of the actual wines so you can see what you're getting before you actually buy in. So just to make an informed decision, because you're talking £90, which is quite expensive, but then not for a boozy advent calendar. So yeah, there's Prosecco, there's beer, there's other wine ones, there's gin. Oh my gosh, there's loads. But no, we're sticking to this one. We'll write down in the description all the details of the wine that is in here, so if I am pronouncing it wrong I apologise straight away, but the information will be in the description as well as links to this advent calendar. So if you want to see more or read more about the wines, and click on the show more, and that will bring up the description and everything will be down there. So let's open number one. Number one, where are you? Up here. Oh, that's not good, I can't open it. Oh no, I want to do this as neatly as possible because I'm putting them all back. It's not opening, why aren't you opening? It is. Can you see that? I can see the other wines as well. So we have got, this is a Perez Cruz, it's Winemaker Selection 2015, and this looks like a red wine. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon. So it's a red wine there, and this is the size. This is 175.5 ml and 14% alcohol. So that's day number one. Oh my gosh, I can't get it in. A tip is, if you're going to do the same as me, if you want to have a look and pop it all back in, if you're going to get this calendar, is to put it in and then tilt it backwards and then it will fall in nicely. Right, let's see if day number two would be easier for me. Where is number two? Number two is over here in the corner. Oh, it looks like a fizz. Yes, it is. It's a fizz. And this is Prosecco. Oh, I love Prosecco. And this is Perez, and it's a Prosecco 200 ml and 11.5 vol Italian Prosecco. Oh, day number two is going to be mine. I'm going to have to remember that. I'm the Prosecco lover in the family. Right, push it in and then down. Yeah, sorted. Right then. On to number three. On to number three. Where's number three? Up here. Gotta be strong, you gotta grab them. Right, what have we got? French wine, and this is a 170 ml bottle and 13%. You can see there. Nice. Right, in and then down. Yeah. Sorted, I know what to do. So number four, down here, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you can see. The bottom row you can't see. Right, what have we got here? We've got a white wine, and this is the Big Mo. And it's it's an Australian wine, 2018, and this is 187 ml and 12%. That looks quite nice. Do you know what, to be sneaky, I should make a list, shouldn't I, of all the wines that I like and make sure that they fall on the days that are going to be mine. I know that's sneaky, I know, but my husband's not that fussed really about what wine he has, but just me sneaky. Right, what are we on? Number five, over here. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Oh. Okay, where are you, number 5? We look like we got a red one here, and this is La Fama, and it's a Cabernet Sauvignon, and it's a 2017 Chile wine, and it's 175ml and 13% alcohol. So another red wine. So far I don't recognise any wines that I've had personally yet anyway. We've got a white wine, and this is 16 Little Black Pigs, and this is a southeastern Australian Chardonnay, and this is a 13% and 187ml. So a nice big glass of wine, one massive one I think. Number 7, where are you? Oh my word. We got a red wine, and this is Marks the Spot 2017, and it's a red wine, and it is 13% alcohol and 187ml. Actually, could that be a rosé? I'm not too sure. I think rosés tend to come in clear bottles, don't they? But haven't had a rosé yet, not that I've seen, so I haven't heard that. Marks the Spot. Number 8, where are you? Down here. Got a white wine, and this is Savvy, and this is a Sauvignon Blanc 2017 Marlborough, and it's 187ml, 12% alcohol. Need that one. Oh my gosh, where's that? Oh, up here. This is a bottle of red wine from Chile, and it's Perez Cruz, and 2015, it's 187.5ml and 14% alcohol. That? Oop, can you see there? Or is a camera focusing on the tree? Oh, I hope not. When I come to edit this, I hope not. Right there, number 10, where are you? Oh, down by me, right down the corner here. It's a little bit hard to get out, in all honesty. It doesn't want to come out. The Big Mo, and this is an Eastern Australian, and it's 2018, a white wine, and it's 187ml and 12% alcohol. When I'm pushing the bottles back in, it's actually pushing the cardboard. There's like 3 different sections of thin cardboard, so the bottle's got to go through 3 different holes. So if you're manoeuvring it the wrong way, it's not going to get in. Number 11, down here. What is this? A rosé. This might be our first rosé. I love this bottle. Gypsy Lee Rose, or rosé. White Zinfandel, and this is a 10.5 volume alcohol and 187ml. Oh, I like that bottle. I do like rosé. Really like rosé. Right. Number 12, where are you? Up here next to me. So this is a red Shiraz, and this is Bastions, and it's a South African wine, 2017, and it's 187ml and 14.5% alcohol. So there you go, that's that. So halfway now. So what are we? Number 13. Down the bottom down here. A white wine. I can't pronounce that. La Arbosiers, and it's a French wine, 2017, and it's 187ml and 12.5 vodka. Vodka, no vodka. 12.5% alcohol. I don't know where vodka came into that then, but no, vodka wasn't on my mind. I don't know why. No mind. 14. Oh, right by me. It's always the ones that are directly within my eyesight, not the tops or the bottoms. It's the ones in the middle I have difficulty finding, which is bonkers. Got a red top. What's this? It looks like a red one. And this is a South African Merlot. Oh, I love Merlot. Merlot's my favourite red. I love a Merlot. And this is VAT 27 Reserve. And this is 14% and 187ml. That's what that looks like there. Right, number 15. I do like the fact that we're getting different wines. I think with comparing it to the Aldi one last year, we had a few that were similar, or the few that were the same. Maybe we had 2 of each. I can't remember now, but of the same make then, you know, but they were all, as I said, they're all French wines, which is fine, but I do love the fact that we've got completely different types of wine, styles of wine. So this is a white wine, and this is a Spanish wine, a Blanco, and it's Reino de Altrizara. And it's a Blanco, and it's a Spanish wine, and it's Spanish white wine, 187 ml and 12.5% alcohol. Go. 16 is down the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that. Ooh. Right, where are you? Oh, it's a fizzy one. It's got one of those tops, the foil tops. If I can grab it. Whoa. Oh, Senti Extra Dry Prosecco, and it's an Italian Prosecco, and this is 200 ml, and it is 11%. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait. It's Friday night. I can't nick the alcohol in here. No, I'd be fuming angry with myself if I did that. I would. I need to be. I can be strong. I did it last year, so it's only alcohol. My gosh. Right. Oh my god. Number 17. It's hard to open. Right. Oh my god. And we've got a red, and this is De Martino, and it's a wine of Chile, and it's Enigma 6, and this is 185.5 ml and 14% alcohol. So lots of reds and whites, and two fizzes or Proseccos, and one rosé that I'm aware of anyway. I might have not noticed if it was in a darker shade bottle, but we're on number 18 now. Right in the corner. See, it's all here. All the ones that I hear, I can't see. And we've got a Brio, and it's a white wine, and it's a Pinot Grigio, and it's an Italian white wine, 187 ml, and it's 12% alcohol. Cool packaging, really cool, I like that. Number 19, right down the bottom here. You probably won't see this at all, but I'll grab it for you. Ooh. The bottom one looks like it's... Oh, the bottoms are really hard to get out. You have to really put your fingers in there and grab it. We've got a white wine. A white wine, it's not. It's a red wine, and this is a Spanish wine, and it's similar to one. It's the same name as what we had before, but it's Tinto, and it's 187 ml and 13% alcohol. Here's it. And number 20 is down here. And we got another red. Lots and lots of red. So this is the third of the same brand. It's the French wine, 2017. It's Syrah Grenache, and the brand name, which I am going to say completely wrong, Les Aboussiers. I'm sorry. And it's 13% alcohol, 187 ml, and that's another red wine. So we've had 3 red wines of the same brand of this. So it'd be interesting now to have a look to see on the list. So next one is 21, is down here next to me. We've got a white wine, and this is a Valle de Casablanca, and it's a Sauvignon Blanc, and 187.5 ml and 13% alcohol. But I will be linking all the names of these bottles down below so you can have a really good see, just in case I am not making any sense. So down to number 22, and we've got, it looks like a red wine. Oh, it's my name, the Black Pig, not that part. It's Clear Valley, and it's a Shiraz. And this is an Australian wine, 187 ml and 14 volume. Yeah. So that's that one. And then 23 in the middle down here. Yeah. This is a Finest Reserve Fonseca Porto Bin 27, 20 cl and 20% volume. Whoa, that's going to be a strong one, isn't it? Whoa, I don't think I've ever drunk any wine that is 20% volume alcohol. I think the highest is probably about 14, from memory anyway. Our final one of the calendar, right down the bottom here. It's got to be a sparkly, isn't it? It's got to be. Oh, it's got to be mine. What have we got? Oh my word, it's champagne! Champagne! And this is Laurent Perrier, La Cuvée Champagne, and it's a Brut champagne, and it's 12% volume and 200 ml. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Although, in all honesty, I do tend to prefer a Prosecco over champagne, but I do like trying them. So that's the very last. I'll just pop that back in. So that was the advent calendar unboxing. I hope you enjoyed following along and seeing what wines I got. I'd love to know if you're getting a boozy advent calendar this year, and I'd love to know which one you're getting as well. But yeah, I think, oh, I don't know, I just love it. I just love it. First time I did it last year, and it just was really quite cozy. I remember when my husband went away for a couple of nights just for work, and I put the fire on, put the kids to bed, and then I put all my cozy clothes on, and then opened the calendar and had a bottle of wine. When I say a bottle, you've seen the size, they are small, so it's not like I'm drinking a whole bottle of wine every night, but no, it's just nice, and especially the Christmas lights on the tree and things like that. So no, I am happy. This is one of the calendars I do look forward to getting, and I'll definitely continue getting boozy advent calendars, maybe a gin one next year. I don't know, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.